Jump by Van Halen. So let's do some right hand stuff, starting with the G chord. G, B, D. That's your first chord with your 1, 3, and 5. And then you're moving to a C chord, inverted, which is G, C, E. Also 1, 3, 5. So then you're moving back down to an F chord. FAC. 1, 3, 5 again. And then another one. So, and then back to 2 more G chords. GBDs. 1, 3, 5. And then you're hitting another C chord, G, C, E. So what we have so far, back down to another F chord, FAC, another flipped over F chord, CFA, a C chord in root position, CEG, and then this is the first time we change fingerings, where we have this C2 or C9 chord, or maybe it's a G sus with the left hand. Probably a G sus. So all of that again: GBD, GCE, FAC, GBD, GBD, GCE, FAC, CFA, CEG, CDG. Now the left hand, you're playing a C octave. If you can't do an octave, just do one note. Or this one. That's probably going to sound cooler. So that starts the song. And then you're moving down to an F octave. And then up to a G octave. And the way that this stuff lines up, and repeat. That's the intro. And the main riff. And that'll get you through a lot of the song.